Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to our fans watch TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Remo Stars 1. I'm joined by Chwaka Bucks.
Tibos.
Unjani che?
Yeah. Awusemuhle.
Yangifanele.
Dlala for you.
Yeah.
Sports Stake. National Lotto.
At your participating retailer.
Yeah. I should I. Siyahamba madoda siye America kuyobona Trump. Le meeting yethu no Trump ekumele be serious atshena bo chef bakhe basiphekela inyama enhloko uyabona abakalotho kumele bas transport mfowethu.
Please.
Yeah, abakalotho please. Malotho please man. Bo Powerball please man. Please. Take us to America. Please. So support bafana. We proud with our country. Tibos. Kunengoma enokuculwa thina balandeli beParis. Le ngoma ngifuna siyishaye kakhulu nges25.
Yeah.
Lizwe elamabhakane asuzi saphila amandla asuzi saphila lizwe elamabhakane asuzi saphila amandla asuzi saphila asuzi saphila amandla asuzi saphila amandla. Uyabona mangisho kanje ngifuna ukuthi whatever ama results esiwathole eDRC today is not end of the road.
That's right.
Come Saturday, come 25 date October. Player number 12 of Orlando Pirates Football Club. Please guys, let's make FNB Orlando evaporate. Let's make sold out.
Yeah.
So that let's give our boys more power.
Yeah.
The trust in player number 12. Sizokwenza kwenzeke.
Yeah.
Leli lizwe lamabhakane soze saphela amandla. Amanzi amancane lawa enzekele eDRC.
Yeah.
Because we know kuhleli kunama tracks.
Yeah.
And then zonke lento ezenzakalayo eDRC uma iParis yodlala ngale we always aware ngazo.
Yeah.
Of which ababuye bezekhaya sizoqeda umsebenzi. Sisasendimeni. Baba wami akithi uyabona ngiqoke kanjani?
Yeah.
Angiphakamise futhi ukubonga uthando ngilinikezwe abalandeli bePirates. Le t-shirt le nje ngiyibona nje so.
Sure che.
Uyabona ekubhalweni la.
Chwa.
Le number ithini?
Number 44.
Indala ke le number la kwa Pirates.
Yeah.
Indala. Umbukazi uyithatha nje ufike kwenumber ehleli khona indala.
Okay.
Nama places. Mfowethu njenga bekuyi12 ngesi12 bokuyibirthday yami.
Sure che.
Ngiphinda ngibonge kuMr Ngwenya besikade siku anniversary ye Chris branch Fosloras.
Yes.
Benza i10 anniversary. Ngithe masisa isikhuluma isikhuthaza akwase kwathiwa ngime kancane nje khona okuzayo bese kufika nasesipho.
Yo.
I'm happy ke mangimana ngithola ukurecognize abalandeli beParis ngalendlela because kuyangibonisa ukuthi somehow ngidlala a role enhle kubalandeli because want to teach the supporters ukuthi ukulandela iParis ikumala for free, don't expect into eziningi kuParis. Ewethu umsebenzi kunje siyodlala irole yethu ka 90 minutes siphe ama players i-team yethu support. Masiphuma lapho ngibafundisa abalandeli beParis ukuthi why kubalekile ukuthi uma umlandeli weParis udlale irole ukuthi ube under i-branch. Remember kunabantu abangazi ukuthi i-branch ku-Orlando Pirates Football Club is a roots. Asikho kihlahla esingama singenazo impanda zaso. Yeah, ama branch wherever iParis lapha khona wherever situation is ahleze khona yeah kukhona abalandeli kwamanje i-team isenza kahle sibona sasicwasa stadium mase sijika izinto i-team ingasenzi kahle kusala thina ke lapho sesibambile thina ama-branchini ya ngoba i-aim yethu siyazi ukuthi ukusupporta i-team kumele uyisupporte iwina idliwa iyadrawa wena as a supporter give them support yeah mfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu ema-branchini ngithi asibambeni kanjalo ngibonge futhi Stake Spirit lapha engingaya khona nase northern northwest ama-branch wonke angiphatha kahle futhi ayasho ukuthi asazoqhubeka nokuthi lapho ngekho khona ama-branch weParis bawalontsha ama-branch abafowethu simane siconnectana nabo njenganamanje nje ngizohamba ngezi-15 zika November ngiya eMalahleni kwi-branch ekade late umgijimi imalahleni naye ne-anniversaries ising-invited of which ilento esiyifunayo leyo mfowethu ambengazi ukuthi eNigeria kunabesuthu bengazi ukuthi eNigeria kunabesuthu but ngiyabona ukuthi cha isizwe somuntu omnyama school ukanti le team uthini le team edliwa iSundowns Remo Akeso suthi lasebamuta Remo or kimaka abantu Remo Stars yabona kisisuthu ngwanesu Remo Stars basuthu impela kusho ukuthi hayi batsamayile bafihlile ko Nigeria hayi usebefihlile jabo sisibethu hayi mfowethu I can't comment kakhulu Remo Stars because I saw something, I don't know is it, but we won ama champions ase Nigeria because champions versus some champions. But uma ngibheka ama highlights amancane abeke DR so ngibona attendance yale ya game iParis eluze kuyona. Ngibona iattendance eyisimanga. Full capacity. Packed.
Yeah.
Mangithi ngiyashintsha amehlo wami ngibheka le live esiyibhekile yase Nigeria ngibona u57 versus 57 that's why ngithi ngibe very confused lapho ukuthi real ama champions lo ukuthula ama team abhekene ya ukuthi amanye ama team asadinga imthandazo very serious no asadinga imthandazo very serious because financial muscles enza ama team ongatha strong kanti kwi support yawo it's very poor weak anyway ke asibongela iSundowns because bazazibathi ngine jealousy sayibongela iSundowns win 5-1 isebenzile but kuleya team leya nabesibhekile asika team esingayincoma ukuthi ayi iwinile in standard si ayoba yoris sharp for ngishone nama team wethu wala ekhaya kumvela na kumtsiphe league cha akayishaya leya team futhi heavy score hayi angayishaya heavy score without doubt hayi la team angayishaya heavy score anyway siyothini ke Sundowns inhlanhla yayo siqalile sisibekile istep esiyaphambili because second game yawo kuyabonakala ukuthi should leya team la ekhaya iyoshaya mhlamba ngabo ma 11-0 15-0 because ngeke ushaye le ekhaya 5-1 bese expect ukuthi away from your home you win obviously Sundowns should igame yayo namhlanje iqedile siyabongela Gabriel Masandawane yeah kodwa ke engingakusho njengamanje kubalandeli beParis please mabhakaniya let's try ukuthi ngezi 25 senze isold out let's come in big numbers let's start today ukuthi fill up Orlando Stadium esigodini ukwenzela ukuthi siyenze leya team ingasiphinde isikhotha ngoba sikubonakala ukuthi leya team wangathi sinokusijwayela because uba ngiphazama sidinena ukudlala lana ngesikhathi seVodacom challenge ifike yasenzela ubufirifiri nala ekhaya now futhi siyabuya ngalena kulobo mzima esingazi ukuthi why kufeleka ukuthi ifootball siliboniswe sesibona abantu aba-update abathanda ukuthi basheshe babe fast ngescore kuthe lapho iPirates masokuthiwa 2 bathi masithi 1 baqale basi-update 2 basi-update 3-0 sebeyasi-update but into eziningi abazivezi somehow kusho ukuthi asazi angeke ukuthi akho channel eYouTube eKongo kodwa evezayo but lento sizobuya iteam yethu isitshele kahle ukuthi bekwenzakalani lapha namanje I can't accept that score ukuthi for the first time iPirates mayiqala ukuluza vele
Heavy score.
Awu 3-0
Heavy score.
It's unbelievable. Uyazi sekuze kujabule kuhleka nokhila ngisho akakawini nokuwini behambela idraw kuyale kodwa usehleka ungazuthi useyodlala ifinal. Yazi abokhila shem bampela usathana uzobaduba. Yeah. Kodwa ke engakusho ayibonana nesigodini. It's not over until ureferee Saturday masishaya le team City 4-0. Game is over.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Chairman.